Namaste, my divine family. So today I have come with another beautiful reading. When I did last reading, in that I talked about in which what path you are in. Today it's talk about which gates are opening for you. What is opening for you? So choose one of these four beautiful crystal bracelet, whichever attracts you, and let's begin with the reading. So if you have chosen this particular beautiful selenite and selenite crystal bracelet with Avilai. Let's see. The message is for you is that starting fresh. He says that a wonderful new beginning is blossoming in your life. So definitely something is definitely starting new in your life. So you need to ask the question to yourself, is it, am I ready? Am I really ready to start this? And if my life actually truly started afresh, would I make the same decisions? Am I ready to let go and begin anew? What is blocking me from doing so? These are very important for questions for you to ask, so you attract a new start in life. If you like this reading, please like this reading by clicking on the like button. Thank you. Let's move to the pile number 2. So pile number 2, if you have chosen this beautiful crystal bracelet or sunstone with the turquoise, let's see what does it say. It says stepping into stillness. Stepping into stillness, my power is born in the majesty of silence. Beautiful message it has. What do you think it is trying to convey you? So it is right. I think definitely you are stepping into some kind of definitely silence. It also telling you that you need to take some time for yourself and step into your own stillness, silence, and think, because it says my power is born in the majesty. So you need to ask yourself, what do I need to stop or surrender in my life? How can I enter into my inner stillness as I become still? What will expand in my life and what will contract? In here, actually, universe is trying to tell you that your inner peace will bring lot of chaos to end whatever is happening now. No matter what is happening, you can observe it from the stillness. They're telling you to observe from the stillness. I think there are chaos happening and you need to know what are those only by when you become an observer to that. So you need to affirm this, that your power is in the stillness. So once you accept this, then this change will come and occur in life. So accept this reading, claim this energy of the power so that it works for you by liking this video. Thank you for listening to me. And let's see what is for the pile number 3 with this beautiful tiger stone bracelet, tiger eye bracelet. It says that savoring pleasure, I fully embrace bliss in life. I think your life is definitely right now is blooming with lot of its energy is very beautiful. It's coming to you. Pile number 3. So pile number 3, what here the divine is trying to tell you is that you need to cherish your life the way it is. The more you will cherish your life, the more it will become the luxuries for you. You will attract more luxuries here, more beauty of this. The way you can see everything is so beautiful, surrendered. Imagine this, focus this, and you can also meditate in this card and also need to ask yourself, how can I experience even more pleasures than I do now? What help me embrace bliss and delight. Bliss is not about only external pleasure, it's all about internal pleasure also, internal happiness also. So what do I need to release on transcend in order to do fully embrace and sensually, fully live sensually. So this is what you need to do. You need to know that how can I embrace myself fully, how can I embrace personally. Once, if you like this video reading for you, this message for you, please like this video. Thank you for listening. Let's move to pile number 4. This card number 4 is beautiful. Anyway, this crystal is so good for heart, and here is again heart message. This is definitely for healing heart. This is one of the most powerful crystal. And now opening to love, there's telling your heart is open. You need to open to love. And the message, you can see heart is burning here. So message for you here is, so as I can see in this message, you are vessel of love. You don't need to do anything to deserve love. You deserve love. And You need to just keep your heart open. Once you keep your heart open like this, love is going to flow all over. Love is already on the way. Love is in around you. You are the love vessel. But to acclaim, to get this completely in your life, you need to ask some questions to yourself, which is like, what is my true pathway to love? How can I open myself to love? Okay, even more. And when I talk about love, it's not only about others, it's also about self love, self care. Okay, also, what is blocking me from, okay, what is blocking me from welcoming love? So love is not only about the love relationship, it also about the support from anyone, support from friends, from support from your own soul journey. So whatever situation you're going through, this is the message for you. If this matches with you and you like it, and claim this energy of the love, ask these questions and claim it by liking to my video. Thank you for listening to me, coming to my channel. Thank you so much.